So in today's AI world, answers are everywhere. You asked about MBA or PGDM, will flood you with college lists, essays, interview tips, and whatnot. But it's not about generic answer. It's about your journey, your choices, and your success. AI can give you information, but it can't tell you what really suits you. Maybe you have a strong academics, but with limited or no work experience. Or maybe you are topper in academics, but struggle with confidence when it comes to group discussion. But these differences matters. And that's why we come in. We build your profile, not just grades or score, but the full picture. Your strengths, your goals, your story. And that profile becomes foundation of everything. Your resume, your application, your strategy, and finally your success. When it's time for SOP, we help you to bring out what makes you unique. For GDs, we help you to structure your thoughts and speak with impact. For personal interviews, we help you to realign your real life experiences with your MBA goals. So it's not about memorizing your answer, it's about owning your story. Every MBA aspirant has potential, but potential can only turn into success when guided in the right direction. Remember, AI can give you answers, Guide Me gives you a journey. So do not shy away from booking a session because this much of effort can save your lakhs of rupees and precious future. Welcome to Guide Me Education, where we work to bridge the gap between college and corporate.